Selling equities on the RIISE app is quick, simple, and just a few taps away, whether you're actively trading or reviewing your long-term holdings. If you're managing intraday trades, just head to the Trades tab from the bottom bar. Here, go to the Orders or Positions section, select the stock or contract you want to sell, enter the quantity, choose your price, select the order type, and tap Sell to complete your order. On the other hand, if you hold stocks in your portfolio, go to the Portfolio section and select Stocks from the list of asset classes. Tap on the stock you wish to sell, hit the Sell button, and then enter your preferred quantity, price, and order type before confirming the order. No matter how you're investing, RIISE makes equity selling fast, easy, and accessible. Download RIISE, your all-in-one wealth app, and experience hassle-free equity trading right from your phone.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.